In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when a game won't launch on your Nintendo Switch 2, so when you try to start it, it may freeze, there could be a long lag or long load times, or it's just unresponsive. So the first thing you want to do is press and hold the power button on the top of your Switch 2, and then once the power options come up, you want to select it, and you want to power off your console fully. Then you want to boot up your console again and try the game and see if it works. And if it doesn't work, the next thing we're going to do is go to System Settings, then scroll down to System on the left sidebar and scroll over, and you want to make sure your Nintendo Switch 2 is up to date with the latest system version. Now, if it is up to date and you're still experiencing problems, the next thing you want to do is highlight the game that's giving you the issue, and then you want to press the plus button on your controller and scroll down to Software Update, and you want to update the game to the latest version. Now, if it's already on the latest version, you can press OK and scroll over, and we're going to go to Manage Software, and you want to delete the game from your Switch 2 and re-download it, and then test and see if it works, because this can potentially fix any corrupt data with the game. Now, if that doesn't work either, and you're using a micro SD card on your Switch 2, try removing it and then re-download the game on your console memory to see if that fixes the issue. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.